Hi there, welcome back. It's Tina here from My Tutor, and you're watching the SAT Math Online Bootcamp. As I go through the math problems, I highly recommend that when a new math problem pops up on the screen, that you pause the video, try solving it on your own, and then watch as I explain how it's done. Maybe I'm doing it in a different way than you have, so you could see some other ways that could help you out. In this video, we're going to walk through some typical SAT math problems step by step. I am using the Bluebook Test 5, and I'm currently in Module 1, the Section 1 of the math modules. Whether you're reviewing or learning this for the first time, you're in the right place. So let's get started on question number 9. Which expression is equivalent to? And then we have this algebra problem. So I can actually distribute, 8x cubed plus 8. I could distribute that negative to both things in the parentheses and then combine like terms. So 8x cubed minus x cubed, these two, become 7x cubed, and 8 plus 2 is 10. B is the correct answer. If you're not sure if you did that right, or you thought you needed to FOIL the problem, when you have a variable, you could plug in a number. So I could say like x equals 2 and plug that in, 2 cubed plus 8 minus parentheses 2 cubed minus 2. And I get 66, and then try plugging in the same number. So I'm going to plug in 2, 7 times 2 cubed plus 10, and I got the same answer. So that's how I know that it was correct. You could plug 2 into all of the answer choices to see if you weren't sure how to combine like terms. Time out. Quick interruption from the amazing math problems that you're going through right now to let you know just a couple things. First of all, if things are not making sense as I'm explaining the math problems, comment below because I'll get notified of the comments and I'll be able to help you out. If you need a little bit additional help, so up above is a link to the website where you could take a full diagnostic test, and I will go through and review your results from the test and give you some pointers. We'll set up a phone call, free phone call, to go through and give you some pointers. If you need even more help than just the quick pointers, there are also services that I offer on the website that can help you out and help you increase that SAT score. So have fun enjoying the rest of these math videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Number 10. In the XY plane, line T passes through the points 0, 9, and 117. Which equation defines line T? So if I'm going to solve this problem algebraically, I'm going to find the slope. To find the slope, you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that would be 17 minus 9 over 1 minus 0. 17 minus 9 is 8 over 1. That means my slope is 8. There's only one problem here that has a slope of 8, so D is the answer. Again, I can use Desmos. To access Desmos within the Bluebook software, you're just going to hit the calculator button. I'm using it over here just to make it a little bit easier to see. But you can plot points, 0, 9, and 117. And then I can graph that line, or each of the lines, to see which one goes through it. And when I zoom out, you could see here's the 2 points I plotted. This was 0, 9, and that was 117. And the line that we chose goes right through them. And let's do another problem here. Number 11. D minus 30 times D plus 30 minus 7 equals negative 7. To solve it algebraically, I would, there's a couple. The easy way to do it is to realize that if I add 7 to both sides, d minus 30 times d plus 30. I add 7 to both sides, and that's just going to become 0. Then when I'm multiplying and I get 0, that means either this equals 0 or this equals 0. So if d minus 30 equals 0, that means d equals 30, or d would equal negative 30. So either of those would be correct answers. I'm just going to say 30 here. I could also graph this. So instead of using d, I'm just going to say x, because we're graphing on an xy coordinate plane. Minus 7, and I need to zoom out. And we're going to say this equals y. So you're going to say the left side of the equation equals y, and the right side of the equation equals y. And then I'm going to look and see where these two lines meet. So you could see negative 30 is one answer, and positive 30, you're looking for the x values. Positive 30x would be the other answer. So hope this helped going up through number 11. And please join me for the other videos in the SAT Math Online Bootcamp series. Hi, I hope you got a lot out of this installment of the SAT Math Online Bootcamp. I am here to answer all your questions. Go ahead and comment below. Or you can click above and you can be taken to the next video in this series. Thank you so much. I hope this helped you out.